Hello and welcome to indiaproperty.com, the best place to buy your property. In this segment, we will explore Microtech Greenberg, which is situated in Sector 86 Gurgaon. It can be approached very conveniently from NH8 on a 60-meter broad road. Let us see what this upcoming society has to offer us. Microtech Greenberg is built on a total area of approximately 15 acres. It has a total of 12 towers having G+13 and G+21 floors and offers a total of 718 apartments. Microtech Greenberg offers ultra-luxurious apartments of the type 2, 3 and 4 BHK. The size varies from 1480 square feet to 3005 square feet. This is a 3 BHK plus study plus helper's room apartment which is built on an area of 2285 square feet. The entry is grand with a 7.5 feet tall door. Let us see what the apartment has to offer us. Luxury can be felt as soon as you enter this apartment. There is a broad foyer space having dimensions of 5 feet by 8 feet. Moving further ahead is a living cum dining area. The best part about the apartment is the ceiling height, which is placed at a height of 10 feet 4 inches. This area has dimensions of 30 feet by 13 feet. The builder will be providing you with 2 split ACs in this area along with Italian marble flooring. The living cum dining area will have power-coated aluminium doors with toughened glass that allows the sunlight through. Explore the cook-in-u at Microtech Greenberg. The kitchen is quite spacious, having dimensions of 8 feet by 13 feet. The builder will provide you with beautiful granite platforms, a stainless steel sink, as well as anti-skid tiles are used in the kitchen. The kitchen also has an attached utility area, which also happens to be a passage for the helper's room. The master bedroom is quite luxurious. It has dimensions of 14 feet by 11 feet. There also is a separate dressing area in the master bedroom. The master bedroom will also have an attached balcony as well as an attached bathroom. The bathroom will have premium fittings along with a bathtub. The master bedroom will also be having wooden laminated floorings. The kids' bedroom has been very intelligently designed. It has dimensions of 18 feet by 11 feet. The good part about the kids' bedroom is the fact that it has a study room attached to it for your kids to study even during the late hours. There will be an attached balcony as well as an attached bathroom which will also have a separate entry from the hall. There will be decent space to put in your own cupboards. Every apartment at Microtech Greenberg will have a loft to put in your suitcase and your airbags. As you enter the apartment, on the right hand side is this room. This is the guest room and it has dimensions of 11 feet by 13 feet. There is enough space to put in a king-size cot in this bedroom. This bedroom will also have space to put in a cupboard. There also is a balcony attached to this bedroom along with an attached bathroom. The bathroom will have premium fittings installed. The apartment also has a helper's room with dimensions of 7 feet by 6 feet. Microtech Greenberg will have a lot of amenities like a 8.5 acre landscape lawn, a clubhouse with a swimming pool, golf putting area, a basketball court, a badminton court, a tennis court, 2 large-size swimming pools and a shopping complex as well. Microtech Greenberg has nearby amenities like Sethi Hospital, Sheetla Hospital, Raheja Mall, Star Mall, GD Goenka Public School and Bluebells Public School. Microtech Greenberg seems to be a very well-planned society. The builder plans to give possession by January 2017 and is offering flats at a base price of Rs 7,150 a square feet. We hope you like the review. Looking for any sort of property, residential, commercial, land or farmhouse, India Property has it all. For more details, log on to indiaproperty.com.